All right, Julia, nice. Good job, Jenna. Yeah. Go a little bit more left. What'd you say, Julia? Okay, let's go left to the ski group. Nice job. Good. Okay. Nice job, Julia. Nice S's. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, now go straight. Just don't hit this person. Good job, Julia. Woohoo! Good job, Jenna. I love skiing. What's that, Julia? Yeah, me too. Well, stay over here. Come towards me. If you want to go faster, just point them straight. And lean down. Over to me. Over to me.